Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 4.92% compared to yesterday's value of 27,154.15. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 2.72% compared to yesterday's value of 1,557.77. The price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by 2.34% compared to yesterday's value of 209.7.
Latest news.
Binance developers, the surgeons of the world's leading crypto ecosystem. Binance distributed developers use the metaphor of an airplane's heart to describe their role in the company's crypto trading engine. This powerful engine executes 1.4 million transactions per second and has matched daily transactions volume of $100 billion level during peak market periods. Developers expertly troubleshoot various challenges, such as debugging and optimizing performance, against the clock, much like surgeons in operation. Despite the high-pressure environment and direct user feedback, these professionals stick around for the unique culture at Binance and the flexibility, freedom, and growth opportunities offered by the remote work environment. Their dedication is not just about maintaining the engine's incessant operation or fair compensation, but also about the fulfillment from problem-solving, excitement of working with the brightest minds in the blockchain industry, and satisfaction of contributing to a leading product serving millions of users worldwide. BlackRock denies reports of SEC approval for iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF application still under review. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF application is still under review by the SEC, despite media reports to the contrary. The investment management company clarifying that no approval has been granted. The rapidly evolving cryptocurrency market requires accurate information to navigate. ARPA Network's Randcast launches on Optimism. Gnosis chain collaborates with Moralis. ARPA Network's random number generator, Randcast, has been integrated with Optimism, a Layer 2 blockchain built on Ethereum. This move is aimed at providing a more secure, dynamic, and immersive experience in the world of on-chain games and autonomous worlds. The integration of Randcast on Optimism will enable the development of more secure and efficient random number solutions. In addition, Gnosis Chain and Moralis, a leading Web3 data provider, have announced a collaboration to empower developers building on Gnosis Chain. This partnership provides developers with access to Moralis' expansive suite of Web3 APIs, further solidifying the blockchain's position as a developer-optimized, innovation-focused network. Developers can access resources and tutorials at https://www.moralis.io/chain/gnosis. BC Technology Group considers selling crypto exchange OCell for $188 million. BC Technology Group is considering the sale of its crypto exchange OCell, with a valuation of $1 billion Hong Kong dollars. OCell provides prime brokerage, exchange, and custody of crypto assets, as well as infrastructure for financial institutions to offer digital asset trading. BC may choose to sell parts of OCell's business rather than the entire entity, according to sources. The deal is ongoing and there is no guarantee that a final deal will be reached. OCell is one of 2 exchanges to have 1 crypto licenses in Hong Kong under the region's new regulatory regime introduced in June. The application process was costly for companies, with between $1 to $2 million being spent. BC Technology did not immediately respond to CoinDesk's request for comment. Positive sentiment in digital assets continues as investment products see 3rd consecutive week of inflows. iShares Digital Asset Fund Flows Volume 153 report shows improved sentiment in the crypto market with a 3rd consecutive week of inflows. Bitcoin remains the dominant cryptocurrency with inflows of $6 million, pushing the year-to-date total to $260 million. Altcoins suffer outflows, with Tezos, Litecoin, and Chainlink 分别 experiencing $0.25 米、$0.28 米 and $0.31 米 outflows. XRP bucked this trend with modest inflows of US $0.42 million, marking 25th consecutive week of inflows. Regional disparities observed, with minimal inflows into the US and net inflows totaling US $0.10 million in Europe. Despite the recent launch of a futures-based Ethereum ETF, there was little enthusiasm among investors, with Ethereum experiencing US $0.1 million in outflows last week. This may be indicative of ongoing concerns regarding the cryptocurrency's protocol design. New York City announces AI adoption plan and chatbot integration. New York City Mayor Eric Adams has announced a plan to regulate and adopt artificial intelligence, AI, within the city government. The administration is developing a framework to evaluate AI tools and their risks, as well as to build government employees' knowledge and skills of the technology. The plan includes 37 key actions, with 29 of them expected to begin or be completed within the next year. The goal is to establish a framework for AI governance, an AI advisory network, prepare city officials with AI knowledge and skills, and to publish an annual AI progress report. The city's My City Business platform will also include the first citywide AI chatbot, which will help answer questions about opening or operating a business. The chatbot will source information from over 2,000 NYC business-related web pages to provide information on compliance with codes and regulations, available business incentives, and best practices to avoid violations and fines. US EVM v6.0 launches, with new cross-chain support and virtual machine communication. US EVM v6.0 has been launched on the mainnet, with several updates. The update includes unlicensed cross-chain support for ERC-20 tokens, allowing users to transfer USDT between ES EVM addresses, EOS addresses, and exchanges, and support for cross-virtual machine communication. DNA and Ancestry site 23andMe suffers major security breach affecting nearly 1 million users. 23andMe security breach, 1 million users' data accessed, hackers obtain contact information, geographical DNA histories, genetic predispositions for health issues. Company not yet commenting on measures. Press release, 23andMe, a leader in DNA analysis for ancestry and health predispositions, is at the center of a significant cybersecurity issue after a breach that resulted in unauthorized access to nearly 1 million users' data. The hackers obtained contact information, geographical DNA histories, and genetic predispositions for specific health issues. The company has yet to comment on any countermeasures or protective steps it plans to take in light of the breach. Proper scrutiny will be necessary to mitigate any potential harm to the affected users and prevent such incidents in the future. Bitcoin could easily reach the $1 trillion market cap, predicts SkyBridge Capital's Anthony Scaramucci. Anthony Scaramucci, founder and managing partner of SkyBridge Capital, believes Bitcoin's market cap could surge to $5 trillion, a 662% increase from its current market capitalization of $4.43 billion. Scaramucci, who holds a substantial Bitcoin portfolio, believes Bitcoin is in many ways more valuable than gold and sees potential scenarios where nations resistant to the US may resort to Bitcoin or other gold-backed assets for trade. Scaramucci also expressed concerns over the current state of the global financial system and disappointment with Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of the now-defunct FTX exchange, who is facing a criminal trial and may be convicted. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is around $27,860. Bitcoin surges past $28,000, hits highest level since February. Bitcoin has surpassed $28,877.14, signaling a notable recovery in the digital currency market. The highest level achieved since February. Tether freezes 32 addresses linked to Israeli and Ukrainian terrorism and war. Tether has frozen 32 addresses associated with terrorism and war in Israel and Ukraine, holding a total of $873,118.34 USDT. The company has also assisted 31 institutions in 19 jurisdictions in conducting investigations, freezing a total of $535 million in assets. These assets were primarily related to theft, hacker attacks, with a small portion related to other crimes. Paris Saint-Germain's head of Web3, Par Helgosson, to join Binance Blockchain Week. Binance has confirmed Par Helgosson's attendance at Binance Blockchain Week. Helgosson, head of Web3 at Paris Saint-Germain Football Club, will deliver a talk on blockchain technology's role in various industries. The event will feature other speakers who will share their insights on the future of ownership rights using blockchain technology. Binance Blockchain Week is considered an unmissable event for those interested in blockchain's influence on society and its potential applications. Edward Snowden highlights Bitcoin's importance at Amsterdam conference. Edward Snowden, a former U.S. intelligence agent, attended a conference in Amsterdam and emphasized the significance of Bitcoin in a world facing increasing government surveillance and restrictive policies. He criticized the focus on Bitcoin's value over its importance as a decentralized tool and discussed the role it played in his rebellion against the U.S. government and its surveillance of citizens. Snowden also highlighted the privacy problem and the emergence of obfuscation tools like CoinJoin and mixers as important but also indicative of the pressure facing the decentralized protocol.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.